Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need your paired iPhone, Apple Watch with Watch OS up to date, and your bank card ready. Start by opening Wallet on the iPhone or the Watch app and choose Wallet and Apple Pay. Once you tap Add Card, scan the card or enter details manually. Make sure your billing address matches the bank record. After you submit, the bank will verify, often by a code or app confirmation, so keep your phone nearby to complete verification and enable the card on the watch. Once the card is added, set your preferred card and enable wrist detection and a watch passcode so Apple Pay authenticates automatically. Make sure the card appears on your watch's wallet and reorder, or set a default if needed. To make a payment, double-click the side button. Your default card appears. Swipe to choose another if you prefer. Then hold the watch face within about 1 inch of the contactless reader until you feel a tap and hear a chime. That confirms the transaction. After paying, view the most recent transaction in Wallet to confirm the amount and merchant. Your bank statement will also reflect it. If you need to remove or suspend a card, for example if the card is lost, use the Watch app immediately to protect payments. If a payment fails, first restart the watch, confirm NFC is working and wrist detection and passcode are active, and verify the card's bank authorization. If issues persist, contact your bank because sometimes verification or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.